my little chispitas. How are you today? Today's story is going to be It Looked Like Spilled Milk. El día de hoy, mis chispitas, vamos a leer una historia que se llama se parece a una leche derramada. That's interesting. And who wrote this story? Let's find out. This story is written by Charles G. Shaw. Esta historia está escrita por Charles G. Shaw. Y él escribió la historia. Well, let's get started and see. After that, we're going to have a wonderful activity that we prepare for you so you learn how to make your own clouds today. El día de hoy vamos a hacer una actividad muy divertida y vamos a aprender cómo hacer nubes. Okay, sometimes it looked like spilled milk, but it wasn't spilled milk. Algunas veces parece como que es leche derramada, pero no es leche derramada. What do you think it is? ¿Qué parece ser? You tell me. Tell your mommy and daddy next to you, what do you think that is? Let's see if you can guess the right thing. Vamos a ver si puedes decirle a la persona que está alrededor de ti qué es. A ver si sí adivinaste correctamente. Sometimes it looked like a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. A veces la leche derramada parecía un conejo, pero no era un conejo. Try to repeat with me, okay? That will help you with your language skills. Trata de repetir lo que digo para que te ayude a tu lenguaje. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. Algunas veces parecía como que era un pájaro, pero no era un pájaro. Let's take a look what it is and what the next one is. Vamos a ver qué es el que sigue. Sometimes it looked like a tree, but it wasn't a tree. Algunas veces parecía ser un árbol, pero no era un árbol. Sometimes it looked like an ice cream cone, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Algunas veces parecía un barquillo de nieve, pero no era un barquillo de nieve. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. Algunas veces parecía una flor, pero no era una flor. Sometimes it looked like a pig, but it wasn't a pig. Algunas veces parecía un cerdito, pero no era un cerdito. Sometimes it looked like a birthday cake, but it wasn't a birthday cake. Algunas veces parecía un pastel, pero no era un pastel. Sometimes it looked like a sheep, but it wasn't a sheep. Algunas veces parecía una oveja, pero no era una oveja. Sometimes it looked like a gray horned owl, but it wasn't a gray horned owl. Algunas veces parecía un búho, pero no era un búho. And sometimes it looked like a mitten, but it wasn't a mitten. What do you think it is, Chispitas? ¿Qué piensas que es? Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Algunas veces parecía una ardillita, pero no era una ardillita. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Y algunas veces parecía un ángel, pero no era un ángel. Oh, did you hear the bell? That's because I'm here in school. in your classroom. Sometimes it looked like a spilled milk, but it wasn't spilled milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. Algunas veces parecía como la leche derramada, pero no era la leche derramada, era la nube del cielo. The end. El fin. Wow, that was a very relaxing story, wasn't it? Now let's take a look. I'm going to put you right up here. All right? I'm here in my classroom today, and I hope everybody loves to do what I'm going to do with you right now. Today, we're going to do an experiment, and our experiment has to do with two ingredients. Say starch. Look, it's a powder. Feels really smushy, soft. Mira, aquí está. Necesitamos para hacer este experimento almidón y crema and baby lotion or any lotion you have around. Now, are you ready to do this? Now, I'm going to pull my sleeves all the way back, and I have my ink ready to go. Now, I'm here in my classroom, so I was able to get some ink. So now, remember, you can mix it. Woo! Boy, that was very dusty. And now you can mix the lotion. Try to remove all the lotion from inside. And now you get to mix it up. Mix it up like this. And tell me how it feels. Ahora lo vas a revolver. Say mix it, mix it, mix it. Now let's say it in Spanish. Revuélvelo, revuélvelo. There you go. Just like this, my chispitas. Great job. And if you feel like you might need a little bit more, you can get a little more lotion. But right now, I can tell you that it feels really, really smooth. It smells really, really like a baby, actually. It smells really, really good. And look, I have some words in here. I'm going to move my book from here so you can actually see the words. And you can read the words with your family. Does it feel soft? Yes, it feels soft. Does it feel squishy? Yes, it feels squishy. Uy, estos son algunos adjetivos que tengo acá atrás para que veas que describas cómo se siente esta textura, ¿ok? ¿Se siente suave? Sí. ¿Se siente blanda? Sí, también se siente muy blandita. Oh, does it feel moist? It's starting to feel moist now when all the ingredients are coming together here. Now, what I'm going to do something called patterns. So I'm going to do a little bit in here. I'm going to leave that in here, and I'm going to separate the mixture, and each mixture is going to have a different color. All right? Ahora voy a hacer matemáticas con esto. Y para hacer matemáticas, ahorita estoy haciendo ciencia porque estoy revolviendo diferentes texturas. I'm doing science because I am mixing different textures. Now, I'm going to see if I can put some color to this. Are you ready? Let's see what color this one's going to be. I'm going to drop some ink in there, and these are food coloring. This is food coloring ink. All right, I'm going to put some in there. I just put a few drops, 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. See, what do you think these colors are going to be? I'm not sure, but look, you can see that this one is probably going to be brown or purple. And to do math, I'm going to make some patterns with this. So I'm going to make patterns of 3 objects. Para hacer matemáticas, les ayuda mucho a los niños a hacer patrones. Patrones son repeticiones. So you can have the children mix the different colors. And like say, you can start with them if you have never done patterns. Just start with 2 objects like Red, white, red, white, red, white. Si nunca has hecho patrones con tus niños con ese objetivo de enseñarles matemáticas, puedes comenzar con un objeto solamente, con dos, perdón, objetos como rojo, blanco, rojo, blanco. But in here, since I already have three and our students are already really advanced, they can do three patterns. Some of them are doing even four different objects, and they complete the patterns like that. That would help them, like I said, with math. Because counting, isn't it true that it's a pattern? Entonces, esto les ayuda a los niños a contar. ¿No es verdad que los niños aprenden a contar todo el tiempo con sus papás? Las matemáticas las aprenden por medio del patrón, porque de 0 a 9 se repite infinitamente. So from 0 to 9, it repeats over and over again. So I got blue right here. Look, feels so smooth. Oh my goodness, I love this texture. This is one of my favorite Play-Dohs that I have ever made. This is really, really good. So I'm going to put the blue one and the purple one right here. So purple, blue. And what color do you think this is? And you're doing predictions as well. Y aquí les preguntas a tus estudiantes qué color piensan ellos que va a ser aquí. Si necesitas más pintura, puedes añadir más pintura. I would like to add more paint to this one. Let's see. I'm going to put yellow in here. And look, it's mixing with the blue that I have. So when you mix yellow and blue, it turns into green. Yes, look at this. And that's science also. When you mix colors together, they turn into a different color. Mira, cuando revuelves colores, también se convierte en un color nuevo y diferente. Como ahorita estábamos poniendo azul y pusimos amarillo porque mis manos están manchadas. Y se está convirtiendo en un como color verdoso también. Oh, le voy a poner más amarillo. I'm going to put more yellow. All right, so let's say yellow in English. Yellow in English. Amarillo en español. Amarillo. See how I'm squishing it? Say squish it, squish it. Very good, just like this. It's a little crumbly here, isn't it? But let's see. Let's go ahead and do purple, blue, and yellow. Purple, blue, and yellow. Purple, yellow, blue, and yellow. Okay, and repeat the same over here. So purple, blue, and yellow. What's going to be next? What do you think is going to go next? There you go. So you continue the pattern like that, and you're teaching your children how to count 3-digit numbers like this. If you do just 2, that's when the children learn 2-digit numbers, okay? So cuando ustedes les enseñan a los niños a contar y a juntar patrones de dos objetos, les estás enseñando a contar de 2 dígitos. Y les enseñas también, si haces 3, les enseñas a contar 3 dígitos. Cuando ya lleguen a esa edad de contar en tan alto, entonces se les va a ser muy fácil hacerlo. All right, my little chispitas, I have to see you tomorrow. Take good care of yourselves. And don't forget to make cumulus clouds like we did today. Mira, hicimos muchas nubes cúmulas. Y me encantó trabajar contigo el día de hoy. Nos vemos mañana. Take care of yourself. Nos vemos. Sigue brillando.